Good morning, students. In this session, we will discuss about between operator, membership operator in, and how to handle null values in where clause of select statement. Take a look at a student table. In this table, we are having 12 records in which roll number of the student is given, name of the student, gender is there, also marks of the student has been saved. Between operator. Between operator defines the range of values in which the column value must fall into to make the condition true. The range include upper and lower values both. It will be more clear from the example. Suppose we want to display the roll number, name and marks of the students who have secured marks in the range 70 to 80, both including 70 and 80. Then the structured query language will be select roll number, comma name, comma marks 1 from student where marks between 70 and 80. You can see the output. In output, roll number 5, 4, 5 and 6. They are having marks more uh, between 70 and 80 and are being displayed. Same output we can have without using between operator, also using the relational operator as well as the logical operator. The command will be select roll number, comma name, comma marks 1 from student where marks 1 greater than equal to 70 and marks 1 less than equal to 80. We can use the keyword not before between operator also. For example, we want to display the roll number, name and marks of the students who have secured marks other than the ones in the range 70 to 80, including 70 and 80. Means we want to display the records which are not between 70 and 80. Mean, or we can say marks are either less than 70 or more than 80. To display those records, we can write the query, write the statement, select roll number, comma name, comma marks 1 from student where marks 1 not between 70 and 80. In operator. In operator selects the values which matches any value in the given list of values. Or we can say it compares a value with the set of values and it returns true if the value belongs to that set. Let us take an example. To display data of the students whose marks are either 68 or 76 or 78, select statement we have to write is select roll number, comma name, comma marks 1 from student where marks in. Within a round bracket we have to give all the marks which we have to match, that is 68 comma 76 comma 78. You can see in the output only those records are being displayed with where the matching marks are available. So only two records are there, that is roll number 4 and 5, which are having marks 78 and 76, but no record is being displayed with the marks 68 as there is no matching record with the marks 68. So it is showing only two records. Let us discuss some more examples with the help of employee table. First of all, uh, see the table. Employee has columns ID, first name, last name, date of joining, salary and the city. Number of records in the table are 5. So based on the table employee, to display the rows where state is either Delhi or Mumbai or UP, statement we can write is select star from employee where state in within round brackets in quotes Delhi, comma Mumbai, comma UP. One another example from the same table: to display all the rows except those that have state as Delhi or Mumbai or UP, we can add, or we can prefix not keyword in front of in. So the statement will be: select star from employee where state not in Delhi, Mumbai, UP. Handling null values. Before discussing how to handle null values, you should know what a null value means. Null value means a value which is not available, not assigned, or not defined, or not applicable. Because sometimes we don't know the represent value of the column. In a table, you can store these unknown values as null, and in a table, null is searched for using the keyword is null. If any column value involved in the arithmetic expression is null, the result of arithmetic expression is also null. So let us take an example in a table how to search a null value. So, see the example from a student table. We want to search the record where the name is not defined. So the statement will be: select star from student where name is null. Similarly, if we want to find out the record from the employee table where the commission is not defined or not uh, given, not applicable, statement will be: select star from employee where commission is null. Not keyword can also be attached with null values in a table to search using is not null. Example: select star from employee where commission is not null. It will give you all the records from the employee table where commission is not null, or you can say where the commission is having some value. Either it can be 0 or something else. So practice all these SQL statements. In the next session, we will continue with the pattern matching.